the federal government bond operates on a quarterly basis, but since the investment window opens every month, you can spread your investment across different months. By doing this, you will receive interest every month from your investments. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can do this. So let's get started. First of all, you need to understand the quarterly payment schedule. For instance, if you invest in January, it means your interest payout will be in April. So that's 3 months later. So after that one, you get another payment 3 months later. Then after that one, another payment 3 months later, and so on. Investing monthly, each month, investing consecutively, let's say you invest in January, invest in February, and so on, will help you earn interest each month. For instance, let's use a monthly investment of January, February, and March. So let's say this is January. This month, you invest 1 million naira. Then February, you invest another 1 million naira. Then March, you invest another 1 million naira. So it's like a rotation for these 3 months. By investing for 3 consecutive months, you earn interest each month. For instance, your January interest will be paid. Since it's 3 months, the January interest will be paid in April, July, and October. Then January, while February interest will be paid in May, August, November, and February. So let's say March investment also be paid in June, September, October, and March. If you keep investing, it will maintain the flow. For example, let's just say in January you invest 1 million, because recently the interest rates for 2 years savings bond is 17.20. 3 years savings bond is 18%, 18 plus something percent. So for instance, let's say you invest 1 million in February, and in March, in January, February, March, that's 3 million in total in 2 years bond. So when the interest is due, so you calculate that 17%, 17.20% of that 1 million naira will give you 43,000 every month. So April you will be paid 43,000, and so on. So that's how you'll be paid 43,000 each month. That's if you have already invested 1 million each month for the past 3 months. That's January, February, March. So from April you'll be earning 43,000 naira. So let's say you earn 43,000 naira in April, July, October, and January. Then February investment, you earn 43,000 in May, August, November, and February. Then for March investment, you earn 43,000 in June, September, December, and March. For 3 years savings bond. So if you invest 1 million naira, so you'll be earning approximately 45,000 naira. So if you 1 million January, 1 million February, and 1 million in March, so you'll be getting 45,500 per tranche. So the following just the same rotation. So this is how you do it to maintain regular income flow. I know some people will say that I would rather use that money for business, but if you are someone like me who appreciates passive income, then you should definitely try this out. So the things to keep in mind about federal government savings bond is that the minimum investment is 5,000 naira. So consistency, continue investing per month, let's say every month, will in fact change everything for you. Let's say you invest consecutively January, February, March, it will drastically change everything for you. The fact that the federal government savings bond are backed by government is actually a huge push, because you know that your money is safe. So this strategy is what I've been using, and it has been working for me. So if you have a commitment of the money and someone that you have to give a monthly income, it could be your age parent, your old parents in the village, it could be maybe like domestic staff or something, you can just put this money aside and then use it to pay them every month. So by spreading your investment this way, you can effectively create a system that that mimic, or that looks like monthly income. You are not working, but it's like as if you are working. So it will be like a salary, even though the interest is paid quarterly. This strategy is perfect for anyone that is interested in making passive income from naira investments. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this investment strategy, and if you have any question, of course, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click a subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.